Hey everyone, welcome back to JSETUPS. Today, we're diving into the world of travel gear with a review of the Alpaka Flight Sling. If you're an on-the-go adventurer like me, you're gonna want to stick around for this one. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tech gear reviews and inspiration. Now, let's get started. The Alpaka Flight Sling is not your average bag. It's a sleek and functional companion designed for those who crave both style and substance. From its modern design to its thoughtful organization, this sling bag has quickly become an essential part of my travel arsenal. The Alpaka Flight Sling features a durable, water-resistant material that not only looks great, but also ensures your gear stays dry in unexpected weather. The quality of the craftsmanship is evident, from the reinforced zippers to the sturdy adjustable strap that allows you to wear it in multiple ways. In terms of functionality, it has many thoughtful layout of pockets and compartments, which makes it easy to organize your essentials. Whether you're carrying your phone, passport, or a power bank, everything has its place. The quick access pocket provides a swift and secure access to your most used items on the go. The shoulder strap easily clicks on and off for quick attachment and detachment. You can guarantee that the Alpaka Flight Sling ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit, even during long days of exploration. The adjustable strap makes it easy to customize the fit to your liking. It's the kind of bag you can wear all day long without feeling weighed down. In conclusion, the Alpaka Travel Sling has earned its spot as my go-to travel companion. Its sleek design, durability, and practical organization make it a standout choice for adventurers who want both style and functionality. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out yourself. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.